Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. In a landmark move last week, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, the FDA, released its final guidance on the use of digital health technologies for remote data acquisition in clinical investigations. This is arguably one of the most significant regulatory updates for the medtech industry this year, formalizing the path for using technologies like wearables, sensors, and mobile apps to collect trial data outside of traditional clinical settings. This guidance solidifies the shift towards decentralized clinical trials, but it also introduces critical new compliance hurdles. First, let's look at what this guidance really demands. The core principle is that any digital health technology, or DHT, must be fit for purpose. This means it's not enough to simply use a popular consumer smartwatch to track patient activity. Companies must now provide rigorous verification and validation data, proving the DHT is accurate, reliable, and suitable for its intended use in the specific clinical trial context. For example, if a DHT is used to measure a primary endpoint, the FDA will expect a much higher level of validation than if it's used for exploratory outcomes. The guidance specifies that sponsors must evaluate and manage risks related to the DHT's hardware, software, and the data it generates, including cybersecurity and privacy concerns. A crucial detail in the final guidance involves the management of different DHT products within a single study. If a trial plans to use multiple models of a wearable, say from different manufacturers or even different generations from the same brand, the sponsor must demonstrate that the measurements are comparable and consistent across all devices. This is a major operational challenge. It means companies must develop protocols to test and validate every type of device used, which can be costly and time-consuming. Imagine a trial for a new heart failure therapy using a commercial ECG-enabled watch. The company must prove that the data from version 3 of the watch is interchangeable with data from version 4, a non-trivial task that requires deep technical and regulatory planning. Furthermore, the guidance reinforces the importance of data integrity and traceability, aligning with 21 CFR Part 11 requirements for electronic records. Sponsors need to ensure there are robust audit trails, access controls, and that the original data is preserved securely. This isn't just an IT problem, it's a core regulatory requirement that inspectors will scrutinize. While this guidance is from the FDA, it sets a global benchmark. Regulators in Europe, Japan, and other major markets will be looking at this as a framework. Companies that develop a robust DHT validation and data management strategy for the US market will be in a much stronger position for global submissions. This guidance provides a clearer roadmap, but it also raises the bar for execution, demanding a sophisticated, integrated approach to technology and regulation. Navigating these complex global requirements is essential for market success. For expert guidance on developing a regulatory strategy that incorporates digital health technologies for markets worldwide, you can email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit our website at pureglobal.